For this assignment, I'm choosing to show PowerPoint application. Let me show you the PowerPoint application. I find PowerPoint as one of the important applications because it is used in education and as well as business purpose. From PowerPoint, we can create easy and creative presentation. PowerPoint gives us an option of choosing variety of templates to make presentation beautiful. The other advantage I think is that we need a simple button click in order to progress through the slides, which in result allow presenter to maintain eye contact with the audience. Now let me show you the PowerPoint application tools. As we can see here, there are many templates available to choose. We can pick any based on our requirement. So right now I'm taking blank presentation by double click on the blank presentation document. As we can see here, default page has description to add title and subtitle. Let me add subtitle as sample and subtitle as test. In order to create a new slide, we just need to press enter on the first slide. Enter. So I can add images also in PPT. So in order to add image, I will click on picture and then picture from file. I'm selecting this image and then insert. I can increase the size of this image by dragging its border proportionally, horizontally, vertically, and I can change the borders also. It has a lot of options. I can also remove the background. Mark area to keep. I want to keep this area also. So I will mark here. And I want to keep this area too. Like this. And then keep changes. Now you can see background is removed. You can do corrections also if you want to enhance or sharpen the image like this. And we can change the color tones also. We can recolor also like this. Let me show you now my presentation that I made in my last semester in PPT. File, open or open recent. Here's a presentation I made in my last semester on topic Kaftan. So this is my first page. This is my second slide. My third slide. And here are some images and details. That's all. Thank you.